This video tutorial I will explain how to limit the records in MongoDB. Here you can see the syntax of limit db dot name of the collection, then find method, then limit method, and it accept number. And here you can see the example db dot collection name is books and find method and limit, and I am passing 2. So 2 documents it will display. And here one more example with projection. Here you can see books collection. It has 3 documents. Here you can see the query db dot books collection, find method, and limit 2. So it will display 2 documents. And here you can see we got 2 documents. So I put 1, it will display only 1 document. If I didn't specify any number, then it will display all the documents in the collection. Here you can see one more example with projection, and it will display 2 documents, and in that 2 documents it will display title field and ID field. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.